Okay, Teddy just came in from outside and now he wants to go into the house and find his little angry bird and kill it. There he goes. Yep, there he is. He's got the angry bird. Oh, he's got it. He's going to kill the angry bird. Oh, oh, killing the bird. Oh, such an angry bird. This light sucks in here. Okay, let's go. We gotta get in the light. Gotta get in the light. Oh, such an angry bird killer. You be quiet over there, or I'll run over there and smack you. Treat you like an angry bird. Hup. Yeah, we're impressed the way you kill the angry bird. You vicious little beast. Oh, you're so mean to the angry bird. Poor little angry bird. Poor little angry bird. There it goes. You're a nut. Oh! I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna kick it. This is the way Teddy likes to play when he comes in from outside. He's got to run off some, burn up some energy. Okay, that's enough. Let's watch Mama play on her computer. There's Mama. Say hi. Mama. Mama. What are you concentrating on? Huh?
Stop.
Are you playing a game? Are you playing marbles? Yep. She's playing marbles. Want to see her get mad? Let me grab her hand. Oh, Teddy, you stop it. You stop it. You goofy little dog. Yeah, goofy little dog. I got work to do.
How are you?
You're not through. Okay, I think you're through playing. So I'm gonna shut this off now.
I don't know.